Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put the proportional boxes and the plumb line when drawing my friend Peter Sheldon's vase here. So I just want you to see it from profile because when I put it on the table, you're going to see it like this. So I can already tell that it gets really wide here. This is the widest point and it's going to curve down. And here's the little bottleneck and it flares out as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pencil with my elbow locked, and with my one eye closed and my head tilted to my shoulder, I'm going to match the point of the pencil to the edge of the vase, and then move my thumb all the way till I get to the other side of the vase, and then I'm going to compare it to the height. So here we go. And it's a little bit more than 1. So it's about a 1 and a 1 and a smidge. So I'll put a little bit. You're not going to write on your paper, I'm just writing that for you. So I can make my 1 any size that I want, right? Because it's just going to be in the same proportion. So I'm going to say that this is my 1, so then I got to do a 1 and a smidge. So I'm going to build a box here. And then I'm really going to compare it to what I'm seeing. It looks about right, maybe a little bit taller. So that's my proportion box that will fit everything in here. So the two sides at the widest parts will touch here, the bottom will touch the bottom line, and the top of the bottleneck will touch here. And that would be, for me, because I'm looking down on it, this edge right here would touch here. Okay, so now I'm going to do what's called a plumb line, which is basically a line of symmetry. It has nothing to do with plums or plumbers. It's an old technique to keep stone walls straight while you're building them. It was a string with a plumb bob, which is a weight that would keep the string straight, and you compare it to the stone wall to make sure you weren't building a slanted wall. Okay, so now I'm going to have to cite where the front ellipse is and where it starts to curve out, go back in, and the bottom. So I'm going to cite with my pencil that the curve back in starts about here, bottleneck right here, and then I'll also want to take note where on the vase the bottleneck out here, and really compare so you can get it as symmetrical as possible. So there's the bottleneck. So I'll build my ellipse. And it's okay to make tons and tons of lines of variation. So looking at this negative space is really helpful to make sure I'm keeping on the path of symmetry. The hardest part. And there's my vase.